you for subscribing and liking. Determining the cutest animals is highly subjective and can vary greatly, depending on personal preferences. However, here's a list of 20 animals that are often considered adorable by many people around the world. 1 kittens, 2 puppies, 3 panda, 4 red panda, 5 hedgehog, 6 koala, 7 otter, 8 bunny rabbit, 9 dolphin, 10 penguin, 11 sloth, 12 fennec fox, 13 seal, 14 meerkat, 15 baby elephant, 16 pygmy goat, 17 polar bear cub, 18 baby giraffe, 19 red squirrel, 20 ducklings. Thank you for watching.